Hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the handbag cupboard that I now have since moving. So they are all together, I can see them all, and I've decided not to keep them in the dust bags for the time being, just to see how I get on. But I'm thoroughly enjoying just opening the doors and seeing them all. So today's video is all about DIY multi pochette accessoire. If you're anything like me, you just can't find it. You haven't got a designated SA to find it for you, to locate it, and you don't want to go the second-hand route, Vestiaire, eBay, because the prices again are extortionate. So we will DIY our own. And to do this, obviously, we need a pochette accessoire and a mini pochette. So, the first thing you'll need is obviously we have to attach the two bags together. I have one of the little Louis Vuitton clips. I did actually cut this off the leather strap that comes on my pochette accessoire. Do not judge me for cutting Louis Vuitton leather, but I did it anyway. So, on the little mini pochette, on the little clip end, we just attach the two together. So, on the little ring, like that. Okay, then this will then get attached to the larger pochette. So that's one side clipped together. Okay, the other side, I have one of these gold rings that you may have seen in one of the videos previously, and they're like a little claw ring. So then on the other side of your bag, where you have the two little leather tabs, just join them together with this little ring, and then there you go, the two bags are attached. Now, yes, it's not the neatest, it's not going to look exactly like the original one, but it's the closest thing we've got, and we can separate them whenever we want to, we can put them together whenever we want to, we can add different things, we can make this our own, just the same as a multi pochette is a mix and match kind of bag. So once you've got the fundamentals of the two bags attached, we can then start looking at the different straps that we can use. So I have a normal monogram strap. This one I brought separately from Louis Vuitton, specifically for my pochettes to use them crossbody. You can also use the strap of a pochette Matisse. Then we have this one that you've probably seen in my videos before. This is from Aspinall of London. Very similar to the one on Louis Vuitton where you've got the straps, and great for the summer because it's a bright colour, but also in the winter it would look really good. So that's the straps to look at. Then we have bag charms. You may want to add one of these, just to add a little bit of something extra and to make it personal. Then if you really want to make it look as close to the original as possible, you can add a coin purse. I haven't done this, but I may try it in the future, but I'm not 100% sure on the placement of it. So obviously your normal round Louis Vuitton coin purse, or you could use a different coin purse. You could use a Coach one, anything like that. In fact, you could make this bag with any other type of designer bag or just a normal bag that you may have. So again, I've used one of those little round rings that we used previously, just attached that to the zip, and there is your purse then that you can attach to the straps or to the side of the bag, however you want it to look. So we've put it all together now. I will now show you what it looks like in a few different variations. So this is the bag with the Aspinall strap, and as you can see I've attached the little coin purse. Obviously it's only if you want to. I must admit I've not done this before and I don't think I would, but if it's the look that you want and it's the nearest to the original, then you go for it. So here is the bag with the monogram strap. Again, I have attached the coin purse on the top, or you could just take that off and just have it plain. You can attach the coin purse at the bottom of the bag if you wanted to. There's loads of things that you can do, but this is just a quick little idea, and hopefully it will inspire you to try it out for yourselves. Until next time, bye.